Week 2, what's today? January 17th, so this is week 2 of my BCG maintenance follow-up. Week 2 of 3, I did a more urgent, harder job of me trying to sweat out the past couple days, and I had an earlier cutoff for food, so let's go in and my they're always a good group of folks to work with here. They're good at comforting me during it's uncomfortable. So I get next week, 5 weeks off, then back in let the waiting game begin. 2 hours reflecting on life and thinking of things and all the mistakes I've made, and things that you gotta think about before you do actions that lead you down this road. But then again, so many things you do in life can and will affect you health-wise. I eat none, I drank no liquids, and it's probably before 8 p.m. last night. And the way I approach these every day, I've been jogging for 2 days straight. So we're a couple days away from my next immunotherapy session. I realized I did not sweat a lot last week. So here we are. Let's run 5K around the lake. Try to run again on Thursday. Sweat some more on Friday, and thank God the fire seem to be it's getting better. Situation's getting better, so the air is getting better also. And all right, we'll see how this turns out on Friday. So that's already my muscles is hurting there, and I'm probably gonna jog this off for a bit also. I've also been doing more Kegel exercises, even working out the pelvic floor. It's little subtle movements from inside. I don't even know if it's pure on Kegel, but don't mind me. Just letting this BCG Immunotherapy settle in while I kick it outside the hospital. Rotating like a rotisserie chicken every 5 or 6 minutes or so. But yeah, I'll probably go head off to the park in a bit too. I'll jog this off because today's gonna be a magical day. I'm gonna reach the Nike Run Club black level. I'm sweating out that BCG at the same time I'm crossing into the black run level of the Nike Run Club app. So yeah, we're just trying to be healthy all around. Let's go get it. That's what we're here for. To live healthy, prosper, serve the Lord, serve others, for our families. And let's go. Finish tomorrow. So I did it. So while waiting out the 2 hours for my BCG, I actually hit the trail and I broke the Nike Run Club black level over 3,100 miles, 3,105 or something like that. But yeah, so at least I sweated a lot of it out. I kept it 3 minutes longer than I was supposed to, and yeah, I went in the put it this way, the restroom at this park, it's already chock full of bacteria, so I actually don't feel bad about going here. Mabuhay. So 1 more week of BCG treatment, then I have to go back 5 weeks after for the follow-up. So we'll see how that turns out, but I feel good. Probably feel a little queasy throughout the rest of today and possibly into tomorrow. Who knows, maybe I did things differently today compared to last week. The whole dehydration, the whole running. So we'll see how I feel. Body postures, air quality. A little less stressed this week, I guess. So I've noticed something about my most recent BCG maintenance rounds is
for about more than 24 hours after I do it, I go to the bathroom quite a lot. The first 6 hours, you're releasing chunks and clots and some of the bubbles, which is, I remember from the first set, but now it's like little, we'll say micro peas, but once you release some of the clots, it flows better. It's like sometimes you get the urge, but not much comes out, so I mean, hard to explain. Where I'm looking at 27-ish hours after the treatment. Definitely more than 24 hours since I was allowed to use the bathroom, but yeah, and it's not the most comfortable when you go. So yeah, no, so been going a lot more during these maintenance rounds. I'm trying to drink more water just to try to flush everything out. Hopefully that does it once and for all. During the first round, yeah, I was going quite often for the first ticket on a Friday. Yeah, I was going to the bathroom until pretty much all Friday night, all into Saturday. But I think Sunday, I want to remember that I was okay by then. So yeah. So just a little heads up. Maybe if need be, you're gonna be traveling. Nothing wrong with it. Depends. They dependable. So yeah, we'll observe more of this, and we'll figure out how much longer this pattern goes on. So yeah, it's Saturday, about 27 hours after. So yeah, just thought I'd share that portion of, this, what's going on with this treatment, right? I mean, it's part of it. The bathroom effects are part of when you step in there, you get poked and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I guess it's not painful, but it's not comfortable to do this, especially get up, go, how many times, right? So yeah.